What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Some toothbrushes are like robots for your mouth. Let's open up Sonic the Toothbrush. Favorite character from the 90s Sega Genesis. Hey, here we go. All right, so, wow, everything is packaged up pretty nicely. Let's go right to the good stuff. We get this case here. Kind of looks like a glasses case, hard plastic. And there is our toothbrush. And picked it up in, well, it's going to be called purple, but it's a very light purple. Maybe a lavender. But man, glossy, smooth. It has nice weight. It feels nice. Kind of a chromed base here. And if we're just going to scroll down the body of this bad boy, looks like this is the power. I'm assuming this is the mode. On, off. And that's kind of a low, medium, and high intensity. And hear it vibrating. And then down here on the bottom, we have some different modes: clean, soft, strong, white, and polish. And the way you change those is when the toothbrush is off, you use this button to scroll through them. So we're on strong, white, and what we're on before is polish. But I'm going to go to clean here. Now if I turn it on, we're in cleaning mode. And then you adjust the intensity like this. And if I go here to soft, turn it on, you can hear the tone is quite a bit different. So I'm looking forward to trying this sucker out. I do want to show you in the instructions here that one of the things it warns you of is do not use while bathing. So, you know what? Don't take this into the bath with you. All right, let's see what else we get here. So I'm assuming this is the charging base because it's looks like it's color matched. That is pretty cool. It does come in some different colors too. And this is the color I wanted. And then USB plug, which is nice because then you can find any USB charging block and put it in there. And then we get the toothbrush heads right here. And you can see we get not only this one, but we get another one. And it comes with a little plastic cover. It's pretty cool. Feels pretty high quality. And those will just go on here like this. Boom. Now if I turn it on, ooh, look at that. Whoa, dude, that's pretty intense. Wow. I feel like that is being at the dentist. My finger is going crazy. Woo. All right. That's on the high intensity too. So let's go here to white. Woo. And I'm going to go down back to polish where we started. Oh man, that is kind of crazy. We're going to try this out. I was going to show you me brushing my teeth, but my good looks would just bias you. And it wouldn't really be that easy to show you what this toothbrush does. So I'm going to try to demonstrate it here in this little glass of water. So I've got it right now set on polish, and it's on the high setting. And I'm just going to drop it in the water here. Dude, look at that. It is going crazy. It's going to spray all over the place. And if I turn it off here and go to a different setting, like clean, I want to show you that. Again, on the high setting here. Oh, that's different. It's kind of bigger strokes, but at a lower frequency. But this thing is totally working. I mean, that is for sure. See what strong does. I can tell you that as I put on my teeth, it doesn't like vibrate my head. It's not like painful or uncomfortable at all, but man, it feels like you've got the brush on your teeth really scrubbing. Kind of like those spiraling, oscillating cleaning heads that you have at the dentist. So honestly, if that is really what you're looking for that deep clean on your teeth so that you feel super clean after you brush, I think this is what you want. It's kind of like a dentist. Hey, I will put a link to this thing in the description below. I love it. Peter Von Panda. Out.